birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi te, happy birthday. Stay young and beautiful. Parayon lang sa imong pagka-ikaw, pagkabuutan nga ate, pagkabuutan nga anak, o daghan pang katuigan maabot sa imong birthday, o daghan pang beer mahurot. Tatay, happy birthday.
Hello Gwen, hi. Pasensya kay wala dilian na og makeup. Happy 50th birthday. May all the desires of your heart will come true. Continue being a strong woman. And I wish you all the happiness, good health, and more blessings in your life. I miss you and happy birthday, 50th birthday. See you when I see you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Gwen. Naot po ang tatagan kag taas, nataas pang kinabuhi. Ang imong birthday, malipayon ka, ang dagang pang blessing mabot sa imo ha. Kanus among kamuli, kay tagay na punta, ligo-ligo, miss kay ka na mo ba. Enjoy sa imong birthday. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Gwen. Happy 50th birthday. Akong wish sa imo ha, always good wife and to your husband, good mother to your 2 kids, and always respect your old ones. Respect your mama and papa, and respect all your aunties. Then, wish na po. Hindi ko kay wish sa imo ha. Good health, wealth. Ayaw ko ha yung pagkabuutan na pagmangkon, Gwen. Gwen, salamat kay sa imo, Gwen, na nagkasabang ka sa amoa, nga sa amo mga pamarayag sa imo, imong ginahakal sa amo, imong mga ante. Gwen, baby naman di ko kabalong story ang Gwen, eh? Basta happy birthday, Gwen. Ana lang.
Happy birthday, Gwen. More birthdays to come. And good health always. Stay beautiful and mabait na pamangkin, anak, ate. Always mabait. Mabait na asawa. At mother. Wow! Once again, happy birthday, Gwen. More blessing in life. And happy birthday. We love you and God bless.
Hello, Mike. Maayong gabi diri sa amo Gwen, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
And God bless, more birthdays to come. Ito sayang nga, layo man ka oy. Lamlam og mamam unta. Amping mo diha tanan. Kumusta sa mga bata? O kay Rolly. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Gwen. So you are 50 years old now. So
I can hardly believe you are turning 50 today. So it feels like just yesterday when I was holding you so dearly. Okay? I was holding you as a little girl with your tiny hands. Okay? And you with full of curiosity and laughter. Okay? Pero palahilak jud ka gabi na kay palaihi man pud ka ikaw marakag si Ate Gay. Watching you grow through all these years has truly been one of my greatest joys of my life. You become such a remarkable woman, strong, compassionate, wise, and full of love for others. Reaching this milestone, Gwen, is something truly special. 50 years of laughter, lessons, triumphs, uh, and beautiful memories. That's something to be proud of. I hope you take I hope you take a moment today to look back and see just how far you have come and how many lives you've touched along the way. You've brought light, you have brought light and inspiration not just to our family but to everyone who's had the privilege of knowing you. As your tita, I want you to know how deeply loved and admired you are. I've seen your strength in the hardest times, your kindness when others needed it most, and your joy that always lifts up everyone around you. You are truly a blessing to us. May this new chapter bring you even more peace, good health, laughter, and love. Okay, keep doing what you do best, living with grace, caring deeply, and shining brightly in everything you do. Enjoy your special day, Gwen, and don't forget that you are loved by many. Okay, celebrate it fully. You deserve every bit of happiness this world has to offer. Happy 50th birthday, my dear Gwen. I love you from Philippines.
Hi, Gwen. Happy birthday. Welcome to the Golden Girls Club. Last year, I also turned 50 and now, so naput ang 50 na. I welcome you to another era that is not actually all golden. Kay usahay silver siya because of our gray hair. Usahay po green because of haplas naman atong gina-apply na perfume. But kidding aside, life at 50 may not always sparkle, but it surely shines with wisdom, laughter, and happiness, especially for us that we have our family and our loved ones around. When Ching asked me to create this video message, murag nag-flashback ang mga kagahapon. Kay I remember we used to stay in each other's home during kanang summer vacation. Tapos I also remember na usahay dito po ta sa Banaraw, mga ligo taong suba, manakay tag Tarabaw, manabok taog hanging beach. I remember pa kaato kapag kinakusok ka kay nalipog ko. Daghan og memories na ako ang ma-remember moments that I shared with you during my childhood. You were my first best friend, and my childhood life would not have been as colorful and joyful without you in it. So cheers to you, Kaz, on your special day, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy Gwen. birthday to you.
So hi Tita Gwen, happiest birthday. Sorry my glare sa video ko. I'm taking it from the office, but I just wanted to say again, happy birthday. I wish you the best of health and longer life. The usual, may you have more birthdays to come. I am so happy that you're closer to me. Alam mo naman yon, and I'm so thankful for accommodating me every time I visited you sa Cork. Thank you for the hospitality, both to you, Kuya Rolly, Robin, and Josel. I would definitely be missing the pansit and the lechon kasi wala ako dyan. But enjoy it for me. I hope I can visit you again this year. I don't know, it might be on Christmas. Enjoy your day. I hope you're enjoying it. And I'm wishing you good health and long life. I'll see you soon. And yeah, goodbye. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Gwen. Sensya, I'm not a good singer. Anyway, it's your special day. Please enjoy. I know that we seldom talk. Life isn't like it used to be when we were younger. But I wish you all the best. Stay happy, stay healthy. Always remember that I'm here no matter what. Stay igat like we used to. Don't ever change. I miss you, girl. Stay safe. I love you. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday. Take care. Bye.
Hi Gwen, happy birthday. You know, I really wish I'm there with you to celebrate your 50th birthday. But since layo man ta, so I'm just sending you all my love, my prayer, and I pray that God will continue to shower all His blessings, that you'll always be healthy and happy. And I thank God for having you as my BFF. And I always treasure all the memories we shared together. I miss you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Gwen!
Happy na birthday pa!
Hi, Mads! Happy birthday, Mads! Happy birthday, Mads! Happy birthday, Gwen! God bless! Enjoy your day, Gwen! Happy birthday!
How old are you?
Happy 50th birthday, Gwen!
Happy birthday, Tita Gwen. Happy birthday, Tita Gwen. I just want to take this moment to wish you all the best on your special day. I truly wish you good health always, and I hope that your days are filled with happiness, peace, and contentment. You deserve all the blessings and love that life can offer. Thank you for being such a caring tita and a thoughtful tita, even though we're not that close, because of course, nakasagawa si Suki communicate, because also naapoy times nga busy mo because atong time dili ba ya same, no? So dili jud kaayo ta maka communicate og maayo, pero still I know that deep inside you are genuinely and a good loving person, not only as an aunt but also as a mother to Robin and Ate Josel, and of course a loving wife to Tita Rolly. I really admire how you carry yourself with so much kindness and warmth. You've always shown love and care in your own quiet way, and that means a lot. I hope this year brings you even more reason to smile, to celebrate, and to feel proud of the beautiful life you've built. Once again, happy birthday, Tita Gwen. May God bless you with many more happy years ahead, and may you continue to inspire and be surrounded by love from your family and everyone who cares about you.
Happy birthday, Tita Gwen. I hope you're always healthy and happy with everything you have right now. Thank you for being such a caring and thoughtful tita. I know how loving and kind you are, not just as a tita, but as Ate said, as a mom and a wife to Tito Rolly. Wishing you more birthdays and blessing ahead. Happy birthday, Tita
Happy
Gwen.
birthday, Tita Gwen.
Hi, Gwen! Happy 50th birthday! 10 years na lang, magiging senior citizen ka na. And good health and more blessings to come. And Ayun lang.
Happy
Stay
birthday.
humble and stay beautiful.
Happy birthday, Tita Gwen. Happy birthday, Tita Gwen. I hope mag-visit na po ka diri next year, and wishing you a wonderful day filled with love and blessings.
Hello, Gwen. Happy golden birthday. 15 na Juday ka, Gwen, no?
Golden.
Pareho na ta happy to. Gamay na lang po ko. 2 years na lang po. Anyway, nila ko siya na gamay nga Bible verse. Like you said, sa Psalm 118 verse 24, "This is the day that the Lord has made. You will rejoice and be glad in it." Diba? O, kanta na siya pero una siya ang versikulo. So, enjoy the day of your birthday and counting. Hopefully, maging okay ng tanan, maging happy lang. And be, like we said, good health and always pray. God bless to you and your family. Happy 50th birthday, Gwen. We love you.
Birthday! We love you.
Yay.
Happy birthday! I love you!
Salamat po na po. Nga rin mga higayunan, abot sa ulit birthday nimo. That's a sign of good health and long life to go through. So, ako lang keep in touch with the Lord. Ampo, kanunay may panglawas, labaw sa tanan, a family that grows together, grow forever. Muna nga, Gwen, sa inyong edad karon, lambo ka pa, ginaot pa, hindi mo makalimutan ang pag-apo sa kanunay. God bless, and we love you all, my family. Happy birthday, Gwen! Happy birthday. God bless. And more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday. Unta dagan pang birthday nga mabot. Unta dili mo mapulaan. Unta magpabilin mong maayo sa inyong mga kaigsuunan. Labi na sa imong ginikanan. Salamat sa mga disturbong among nahimo ninyo. Maghinaot kung magpadayon mo sa inyong mayang buhat sa inyong isig katao. Tingali, na ni katapusan ang panagkita tungkol sa daghan matag kinabati di man nato may buuan kung sa itong dangatan manghinaot mo sa wala namin magpadayon pa may mga relasyon sa magsuon labi na kay Orly dili unta pasagdan ang iya kaugmaon. Daghang salamat.
Thank you sa tanan ug kana unta padayon gyud po nimo ang pagsuporta sa mo labi na sa mong mga igsuon ug ilang mga magpapa. Salamat kay sa imong tabang. Palangga ka na mo, love kay ka na mo. I love you, te. Happy birthday. Mura man gyud bata. Wish na ko na unta kanang dagan pag blessings mo abot sa imuha o healthy, good health o kanang loving imong family. Ayaw na pag singlig meldita. Happy birthday, te. I love you.
Hi, Ate Gwen. Happy birthday. Karoon lang dyan may nakaigayon kay na busy sa work. And kuan, wish na ko kay good health always, o amping mo sa mo pamilya dara. And pohon mag-uban lang gyapon ninyo, and madako lang ni si Sabrina pag-abot ninyo. Mo lang to.
Happy birthday, Ate Gwen. Wish na ko sing birthday is God grant you long life, good health, and more birthdays to come. And may God na continue mag-bless sa mga og sa mong family. And stay safe, take care always.
Kato lang, Mina.
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Gwen. I wish you more happiness and long life, Ate. Thank you for your love and support to our family. May God grant your heart's desires. We love you and we miss you, Ate. From Pinas to Ireland. Amping always. Bye-bye.
Hi, Gwen! Happy birthday from Nanay and Tatay. God bless you and more birthdays to come, Gwen. And enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Gwen, happy birthday, Gwen. Happy na birthday pa. O daghang pang birthday mabot sa imong kinabuhi. Salamat kay Gwen.
Happy birthday. I don't even know how to put into words how much I appreciate you. I'm so grateful that you're my mom, because you've always done whatever you can for me. You've always made whatever sacrifices just to keep me and Ate safe. So thank you so much for that. And no matter how much times I say thank you, it wouldn't be enough to repay for all the things you've done for us. And I don't even think I could function if you weren't here, because you never let me do anything. Like, you never let me do any household chores, because you don't trust me in the kitchen, which is fair enough. Like, I would probably burn our house down if I were left in the kitchen unsupervised. I can't even cook bacon in an air fryer. Like, it keeps burning. So I don't even blame you for that one. But no matter how much pain you're in, you always choose to do the housework because you don't want to see me struggle. And thank you so much for that once again. And I'm so grateful for the bond we have, because I'm able to tell you almost everything. Almost everything. And I know you enjoy the goss as well, because you're such a marites. But I love you so much, Mom, and happy birthday.
Hi, Mom. Happy 50th birthday. I hope we did a good job at surprising you tonight. And akong wish sa imo is for you to live a longer and stress-free life. More birthdays to come, and I just want to say thank you for everything that you've done for me and for our family. Sana there's more blessings in your way to come, because you deserve it. And I love you. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Gwen. Happy 50th birthday. My favorite wife, Wailain. My favorite enemy as well. I wish for your good health, and I wish for your goals will achieve at the right time. We are here always to support you. We love you with the kids, and you're simply the best. Happy 50th golden. Mura na siya wine ba? The more siya dugay, the more siya nagkatigulang, the more siya nagkalami. Char. Diba? Stay cool. I love you more than you'll ever know, and for better and for worse, we are here. Stay healthy and we love you. Happy birthday.
Sa maniway diri. Abi ko gasa nagpa-book, dire raman di ay nag-voting ko.
Dito lang ko tayo sa Murphy's
ko,
Law.
ya dire naman ni nagpa-book.
Yeah.
Sumene.
Happy 50th birthday.
Every day is like this, and there's no one to pay it. Every day is like this, and everything falls into place.
Klaro man.
Surprise! Surprise!